Hi, to fix no voice typing on Gboard on your POCO X7, first thing first, we need to simply open settings first. Here, find Apps tab, and after that, choose Manage Apps. Now, in this list of apps, you will need to find Gboard, or you can use search bar and manually enter Gboard. And as you can see, no apps found, so in that case, tap on the three dots and choose to show all apps. And after that, let's repeat the process. And now it found Gboard. So here, important step, you will need to go in App Permissions and you need to make sure that microphone is allowed in this list. As you can see, in my case, it is not allowed, so let me show you how it looks. As you can see, when I'm tapping this microphone icon, it requires this permission for microphone. So we can give it in the settings, choose microphone permission, and here in the list select allow only while using the app. Now go back and you can also allow permissions for the camera with the same way for the contacts as well. And the last one for photos and videos. You can choose to always allow all or allow limited access. And now no permissions denied, so let's test it. I'm gonna go back, trigger my keyboard again and tap this icon. And now as you can see, voice typing is working just fine. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.